Hey guys, this is Ben from Spangler Forge, and I want to share something with you that's a little bit different, but related to our fire starters and kind of outdoor style knives. These are old 1980s snowshoes. They're really cool pieces of gear, and you'll probably see them in like military surplus stores. One thing that people don't often realize about them is that they're actually made from magnesium, and magnesium is really light compared to steel and aluminum. But the other cool thing that you may not know is that magnesium is very flammable and burns very, very hot, which is great if you're trying to avoid freezing to death out in the Arctic snow and everything. So what you do with this, get your knife and you scrape it just like that, and you can turn the magnesium into fine shavings. Okay, so I'm just using a piece of paper here to make it a little bit cleaner, easier to see. But when you scrape it, get all those chips. Now I'm just gonna put them all together, just like that. And with our fire starter, see how quickly that goes? So it burns hot, burns fast, and then it'll light whatever tinder you've got going. Super cool. So if you ever see one of these snowshoes, definitely grab them. They're cool.